Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station. Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
So, no, I believe we are expecting very good football from all the teams, devoid of stills here and there, and then any challenges of any kind. We are looking for the league should not be without a sponsor. It doesn't go well for our football. We need to get a headline sponsor before maybe other sponsors to come in. And we are appealing and pleading with the powers that be the Ghana Football Association. We should do everything to get the league well organized and then also packaged.
Are you ready? For the thousands.
Player, the aspirations in life. Well, there's out to be a team or family, anyone can out. And the one TV away a team, I believe this is the time I say you're working at my MBT target.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, for the thousands in Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Special from the government of Ghana, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation,
GMPC, Ministry of Youth and Sports, Unibank, Huawei Ghana, Guinness Ghana Limited, Latest Phone, Puma, Right Master. Every corner Ghana is the cleaner gun.
to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left.
Come on. Ghana Blasters, once again, we're gonna fire. Ghana Blasters,
Okoman Radio.
Ghana Blasters, once again, we're gonna fire. Ghana Blasters, once again, we're gonna fire. Fire,
Right, Okoman 97.1. Yes. And then the Black Stars of Ghana. And they only say, Yatana say, the Black Stars on 70 bar. Grace has your heavy power. Ocean, you want, what should I hear? Black Stars here. Hey! And the Black Stars of Ghana, Ejina Kono. And to be a match, no better my chassis. Best my back on terminal, give me the best chassis. Now, and they have your forward high, and you'll be doing come on area for game no home. Name of your best rate here for sending live comment, you know, into me from bar. And a live comment into me, bar. Name of your international films to yet to mama updates. I confirm a brand new game in the back of yeah. Yamubi Akwaaba fan bro, Okoman 97.1. Ayo Okoman Global Sports. Ewie so no na second phone comma and in head of sports na courage man. Samson and Jeff Ekufu-Boateng. The writer commentator DJ Ziggy, DJ Tony, Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. The Phynest. Omunya bombe chidom na fence no 7 team ba. And it's seen on YouTube of ya. Samson and Nino Kwame Serega and Chobeba kan sana fence yet made in komo. Ewie medin ene Nana Kwame Amponsa Edi. Obetimi aframe A.K.A. Ese mi jim mejo ase ya na esa gudi mu nsam yare ba. Aye na ko ya ma force stone na me fa manane nsam mra. Gotta vote blaster bogi ma still person me dia manane nsam ba. Writer Ghana force ya manane nsam me fa mra.
Oh yeah, bibia obi.
Sanga akwa black stars ya Ghana black stars.
You need to give updates on this thing. They want the clever vivid this in the distance, you know.
You need
to give it to them.
And you know, man, and then men charanche, 5 minutes be na man samna ba. Na ya be doing come off ya. But right, I said line up on Fatu Jana man for line up game na chance. And you know line up on
Jojo demo bra Jojo.
Madam for Jojo.
Bobby. Andrew Siadom. Andy Adom Bobby. Baba Rama, Nabrante Joseph Edu, Daniel Amate, Baba Idrisu, Mohamed Kudus, Jordan Ayu, Andrea Ayu, Bwachi Adom, and Kamal Dean. And the Wakaso and start the game now.
Okay. And you know, I don't know, line up, no. And the goalkeeper, Jojo Walcott. Oh no, another post, mo. Right back, you know, Andrew Yadom. Who call us back position now? Branton, Abdul Baba Rahman. Samson a center pen in Joseph Edo. And offense to Daniel Mate. I'm gonna 4 and 5 for no so much Ejina Hall. Oba Fimfia Fema Eneno Baba Idrisu. Samson and Mohamed Kudus. Andre Ayu. And up front to Anson Jordan Ayu. Bwachi Adom. And offense to Kamal Din Sulemana. And to win a 4-3-3 formation. And a coach Milovan Rajevan Eriko. Jojo Walcott. Andy Yadom. Baba Rahman. Joseph Edu, Daniel Mate, Baba Idrisu, Kudus Mohammed, Andre Ayu, Jordan Ayu, Bwachi Adom, and our friends to come out Din Sulemana. I'm going to name some start here to me about the Black Stars of Ghana. And you know, Sana Ghana 4K. Hey, what can Mamen kwana fesa amanane 7 mencha kurana menfa amanane 7 so emra.
Some nights I stay up cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your gospel. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
Alright, yen kona fensina manane sem no so no yentumi emfa tudwa emfa mam de ne no na Kwame Mpere di fensina wetina jimadwa A.K.A fensina we de ensam no enso no pa dia wonum se ne no World Cup qualifiers no so no jesenyi bibrem hankwa kwa manane so a Europe ni adeade na World Cup qualifiers no so etumi atwa gu na matches ne bi ebetumi akoso Europe ko piemu enso no group A dia bobo kwa na sa maya ne din Azerbaijan enso etena fi Baku Olympia Stadium no so no 5 p.m. no on Elizabeth and so etima ball Samson and no Republic of Ireland and so in Portugal 7:45 Abaso ewa ya Aviva Stadium where the group A matches and so na ebetumi atodwa na ko group B na and no bobo kwa se Belgium and minus so ebetumi jirem Samson na Georgia and so no 5 p.m. and Sweden e boy and ebetodwa ewa Batumi Stadium and so na nya se kuma Athens no and Greece etena fie 7:45 no so any La Roja of Spain etumi abo Samsung group H no say na matches nete uko pm Gazprom Arena dia Russia mino etena fie 5 p.m. no so the Croatia etumi abo Slovakia 7:45 and so in Slovenia but we na enuanu mienu tokwa Slovakia na fe so no Slovenia and the airport ni Samsung group J no and the Republican Stadium no Armenia 5 p.m. and so in North Macedonia and so betimi about Germany ebetena fe 7:45 no so ne Omaya ni Liechtenstein so no etimi about Arena Nacional no and Romania 7:45 and so ne Omaya ni Iceland and so no ebetimi about Yenfi Europe na fe so ne kopiem South America and you come born and so no ya de ensem no bi efi oba World Cup qualifiers and so betimi ato so ne South America and so no enye fedia go say na matches netie ukopiem Olympico Atehulapa and then your man did Ecuador and so na 7 and I say no 9 p.m. no so no and Venezuela etima ball Estadio del Chaco no and Paraguay 11 p.m. and so any Chile betima ball Samsung Estadio Nacional no and Peru 2 a.m. and Martin and also any Bolivia ball and I feel so Estadio Municipal de Maracanã no and Brazil mino and so any Colombia and so ebetima ball Estadio Santaro no and then your man in the Uruguay and so Argentina and ebetima ball here we need matches and so no eto South America yan so no ye eto ye for yenko Asia na fenso yen for some be FFO dia say na World Cup qualifying matches no for eto Asia group A no and South Korea and so any United Arab Emirates na ball Samsung Lebanon and so any Iran ball o man in Iraq and so any Syria and a bepon after Gubino and Australia and also any Saudi Arabia bepo Vietnam and so any Japan after so China any Oman mino and almost let me the any Africa hano 10 matches linear group no Uganda and so any Kenya airport Samsung Rwanda 4 p.m. any Mali and so ebetima Ghana match no oni dada and we toja South Africa there na Orlando Stadium no Johannesburg no Ethiopia minus so etena fi South Africa no so ne Black Stars of Ghana and so no etimi aba and no yasem kuma akopiem of First National Bank Stadium no South Africa 7 p.m. and so in Zimbabwe and so betimi aba group H no Congo Brazzaville 4 p.m. and so in Namibia bona fe so 7 p.m. no Togo and afen so no Senegal mino and edebe in group J no Tanzania and so in DR Congo apo and afen so no Benin and so in Madagascar and so betimi edi apo in international friendly matches no and also ebetimi akoso Serbia and so any Qatar at the airport and no at 5 p.m. Ghana time and I feel so the Czech Republic 5:30 and the Kuwait airport Ukraine 5:30 and so any Bulgaria beppo winning matches and and also the Czech we are safe now yan so the air my for na breaking news nepa onum say Aston Villa ne no ma pe coach after said Smith ekwa no report ba HM say Steven Gerrard hey Liverpool former player legend no and you know amatima sign ya orana ano so ba be head coach and so no etimi ediama Liverpool team no enten Liverpool sign Aston Villa for the reporter pa HM say former Liverpool player Steven Gerrard no ano so etima be pema ano so na be sign the contract no and so etimi ediama Aston Villa boboko na yeso yetumi ade atu etefo anim na deal no tie say na deal no so esifate orana so etuma sign 2-year contract ano so ba be bo adwuma and so etimi Aston Villa ya team no and then sama tobet ori ne dey Steven Gerrard so no ebetuma born first game and so no etimi ediama Aston Villa team na yenso yade Bana FC Barcelona reporter Minsaka NSA omo technical director no ene yetumi won konsa and so etimi dey fi bobo konuma and say ni bra Bastianie Barcelona ne Xavi ba no oye reformation wo team no mo oye te ni ama so betuma fa edema Barca team no entene o chirema director of sports and as the technical director no ya pomo no so no etimi dey fi Barcelona team no ma yenso yade etu yetiefu anim no wura ne di ade Carlos Puyol no Xavi chirema mo nkofa brand enembra no no so metumi mboa nga fe so no Barcelona team no enso no entumi emfa ntuma pa emfra na tie nie ene Xavi no so akasa no o chiremi so de mra tintintintin abeto Barcelona team no o ye player samra we na yese odi so tie nie Xavi say ono esemra e Barcelona team no waba no enya agro no ba bedi tie ne o ye player tie ne edi kan no enie o say the players must be one hour at training. Yes, what I say. I'm going to play training grounds now. So 1 hour before the game, no, I'm going to ba. Now is the Niama Suna to Marco. So Samsung technical team, no, technical team and the staff. So no, before training, no, move about 2 hours. 2 hours before training, and send a technical staff, no, most of my team on na kabe 20 minutes, no, now I ball, and I say, any what time net to say, oh, the bar now be say, and send a place now be training. Xavi Chirema, technical team, no, and the staff, no, Momra 2 hours before training, and then some run, so no, to me can you toss me aside, or say the place, no, Obi Abedidia, Oko team, no restaurant, no, I could tea, writer. I say, Obi Abedidia, team, no, restaurant, come new. What I say?
Yes.
Obi abeko no akudidi. Anya afina yehwehwe Dembele, yesi Dembele we yesi wa cross road no ekudidi. Restaurant we na eyi we kuti we yesi omedu ye. Yesi adan yesi afina odidi wo fie. There be before training no. They say need training ye 2 hours.
Yes.
Yesi mbodu training grounds 1 hour before. That's 1 p.m. Ansana maba. Oba so obedidi a kuti no restaurant. Na kodidi. Technical team and staff no so some do training grounds 2 hours before training. Wow. The training is 2 hours. Some do training grounds for 12. Wow. Xavi ni abre. Na ochirema wa be late so wetu fine. Yes. Oso wa be late no obetu fine. E wo ho.
So wanya ni sa boys the be.
Boys no hardly. Boys no hardly. And I say exponential sanctions. I don't know I say ne watum I say yi umma training bi na ye final. Wow. We are Anyama and Sam Fata.
I know friend and that is fresh, yeah.
Exponential sanctions.
Oh, okay.
We are there and Sam Fata. I will tell you, you bet you want some. You bet final, ultimately 100 euros. We are near toss me, you are 200 euros. We are near toss me and sa, 300 euros, near toss me and 400 euros. Ah, hey, I know Rana Casa. Oh, Chirema, Tini. I say, Aka 48 hours, and I say 2 days, Yakobo Bono. Play a beer, men go feel it. They said Anka Black Star Bab Ebo game and Neno. 48 hours before Neno, who could fear them. Wow. Yefin on Nana Bontiana, their sound, where do you feel Crano, who to me now abre. Until 48 hours before a game, no, and so coffee in them. Wow. Now, T. Nyotre Xavi, Chirima, players, no, Muhia rest more. We rest more. That's what I say. And you know, I'm an answer. No, I'm fancy. Right? No. Blaster game. No, so money. It's a game.
0-0 still. You born 19 minutes to be on shape. But microphone keeper. Wow.
Are they?
Safe be or yeah. No.
Obey.
I can't hear safe.
And to here, Visashi and as here,
baby, yes.
And you know, when once you know, I guess in any job.
And you ever guess the any job?
And I'm not fear free. Okay. From Facebook. Okay. I say, watching the Black Stars, the very best as they play Ethiopia. Okay. Indeed, they have started war by creating some decent chances. Yes. Listening to you live from Mpere A.K.A and Nana Kufie Free and so no to me at your back. But I'm on Facebook.
Unim say glass na wa ko issue me the latest be beba. Kotoko camp no so BBS o. Share. And management here meeting. Hey, and super.
I say greetings to Mr. Emmanuel Adomako of Ekropon Presbytery. He stays at Ekropon and I Kufie Free and Uchiano. Also Uchia, Mr. Emmanuel Adomako. Okay. I don't know how we are pin Presbytery. Kakra or Tinabene Busian. And Tinabene, Mammy Chamo means so. Oh, Pentecost opposite. Okay. Sports and our banner or PM. Ah, we just want to Okoman 97.1.
Na mami oye yi everybody di show yi.
Away.
They odi we. Hey, cloud review.
Hey. So I say Akwaba see you to refi. Hey, Mama Joyce. Mama Joyce for Royal Junction. On Minoye. Minoye Royal Junction.
Okay.
Once the Royal Junction was on movie. Yes, Mama Joyce. I don't know how I join a chapa. Okay. And you know, I don't know, but super. Tony.
Tony fine. But has of folk on birthday. I'm on Facebook. Me then everybody told you. Ziggy the better so
cake, you know.
Yeah, near cake ne cry. 2000 and I'm on a Kotokofono year 2004. Yes, I'm come back ko penalty shootout na course no.
I said that.
And that man said I said one has a form the
and I asked for the mouse on the
yes, on the birthday no. 2004 penalty shootout no.
Thank you.
Yes,
you're 20 you 21.
That be forget 2021 go now with Daniel free years no. Yeah, we want to remember the histories. You know, so we do that thing. So that Tony Uncle.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And DJ can want.
And to the writer.
Super. Come for a year fisherman to show you so information. If I'm still Okoman 97.1 so ko Facebook na like Jumedi na oba no share na awa mo bi so atene nka say ya hijack wiem no yes hanmo na Ghana footy Okoman 97.1 FM tino e the writer commentator bro Santico person and the penkotiasis in the stories in some the doors ya boa bon say Pythagoras story wo fia na to boase aka na ato so na be bia so no etumi akonke ba shasia e the fia zakes lady ya saka chinyame adoma ne about 2 o'clock. Yes, the Women's CAF Champions League. One more last game. Our group stage. Omni Bobo Kwanti at the Wadi. A young banded Baron Taps on a Kaisanaso. Esa Zakes ladies after the 2 matches or 6 points. Bobo Kwanti Malaba Kings FC. Our 3 points. Wadi. Our 3 points. And AS Mendino. One more any points. Be our antino. And there Bobo Kwanti Wadi. Shasi Omet me and your win. Our Zakes ladies. So Nabi Biasano. To me a concanum. And a head coach. Herma Zakes ladies. So Radin. Eric coach Yusuf Bazegi. Papa didn't come out. The game is not going to be an easy game. The girls are very prepared, but they want this win to do something so that the Ghanaians will see that Hazakes ladies too are there. You tell us about Radin and the coach Yusuf and the Atuja.
Well, the game is not going to be an easy game because Wadi still have the hope that winning or beating Hazakes ladies will grant their chance to qualify to the next stage. So it means they come all out, and we are also going into the game with all seriousness because I've made them to be aware that our concentration levels will be very high. They should keep their head on and then see how we can tame them.
And the Anona so has Ethiopia and a Ghana game, no, fantastic captain. Andre the team of Ghana, you are chef.
The Blasters of Ghana.
Yes, the Blasters of
Ghana.
Yes, so much.
Andre Rami Morgan today. Are you?
Yes. What about him?
First goal.
Outside on us, or she goes.
You need papa. Yeah, Ghana for you.
Yes.
Yeah. South Africa 4D film. Ethiopia 4D film. And then Yansa.
Why
never say? And to know the score line here.
1-0. Ghana. Ethiopia 0. Ghana. And the day you not say go no. So no, a direct free kick. Direct free kick.
Just Thomas Partey you want still they you the free kick
to me. Yes, direct free kick. Which you don't know about.
Fantastic free kick.
Free kick. A Kroman a cap players are almost 2 free kicker. Untumi nya Brantia din e de da you see chain.
Untumi yin fata o shaku
untumi.
Precious boy mo.
When you to me ye A.K.A chain.
Me anka na me jira pa.
Shaka boy be na ni boy. Etiefo.
Nti say Andrea you about first goal.
First goal direct free kick wa was there.
Away chawa.
Yes, away Jay. Go to be favorite go back. I got it. Do not what day. Yes
anyway.
Yes, and the Ethiopia 0, the Black Stars of Ghana 1, and an update because you about 25 minutes in Grafube team so for the first half away or draw into no It will be that's of every communication.
Why not so frame? Obi frame sir.
Nah, everybody at Chuba Brady, our coach is Basigi, yes, and Tony, A.K.A, you know, why you if I said, now, more last game, more once more qualify players, no, over rest players, and as a player, and I'll be sure the game, no.
Yeah, I wouldn't take much risk for using these players, but I think I have backup for them.
And we and Okoman Akwaaba a coach receive Vasiguano a head coach Adama Zakes lady so the pa you have imagine for not the nine as the form sufre radio sufre Ghana for say yes mon fan pai bon tie chipa na crew one there Zakes ladies will bring it to Ghana. And Yashase Urati coach Yusuf Basigi yes dear say somebody to ja.
Yeah, I wouldn't take much risk for using these players, but I think I have backup for them.
And Urati are yes Yusuf Basigi bakuni ye antino yentimi asano I say Ghana 4 and more pie mano.
As usual, their support, their prayers is very, very important to us. And for that matter, we still expect that they keep on praying for us and we also make them happy. But as a result of the outcome, that they also become happy. So they should rally behind us in prayers and support.
And we and Okoman Akwaaba coach Yusuf Basigi head coach Adama Zakes lady so dia ba ya the Amazon etie for yanko piemo baby any go star CEO Radin at Mr. Kwesi A.K.A na ba pay the Okoman Akwaaba ba yeni nifsa nyame ya de chna match day 3 of the Ghana Premier League no baby any go stars and Krobia Kumasi something koroko and Edward in terms enum and ba pan betu jasa ne boys no they already motivated nye fiance na okosha boys no bo so am the 5 million am the 6,000 10%. That be boys ready, they are already motivated.
The players are already motivated. When you play another you yourself know it's a plight to your career. And you know sometimes it's not about money alone, but definitely when they win, management will support them. But I believe we need to give them money before they win. They must win to appease the management and supporters.
Enti Orati are Mr. Kwesi A.K.A yes you my baby any go stars what you pa yes the Amazon tier for yanti tomo our former cross of folk one more legend and answer one more play Orati ade Bernard Domote yes Domote no na papa den Okoman Akwaaba as so far share the Ghana Premier League first match second match third match ikrano or share or compare last season be see this season they no very hotter than last season.
First of all, it's for Mokini Akunya Diamani. Maybe more, I think, hotter than one nation last league. This one is hotter than that year.
And the way Okoman Akwaaba Bernard Domote wadiapa yes the match for Nevisasa so far or former club house of folk one more able 2 matches omo winia o Chastona can they defend their title?
Come to me but the American say as a champion say we a champion means I know football a champion say we a champion winning ball and I say this is my team and I think now what the team say is starting now I say put that up with both because still you are in the competition for cup configuration cup so you are in competition say more pass ahead of you they say Montasa movie confidence being shared but I don't think the boys have confidence they don't have confidence although they know how to play say they are bubble confidence really bubble they don't have and the character you see that's of we play as of character you don't play as of just you have a name.
And the Orati the Bernard Domote yes former Suffolk player whatever now and the Crocodile betu just said this season or Accra Lions hey I'm a buyer relegation
the bed in the American say that I was about to football the
and the way Okoman Akwaaba yes Obrante ade Bernard Domote wadiapa yes the match the tier 4 Jumedian so and Fedia Great yes ye sianesa and the house of folk nyame chade yenyi papa tami ati as of folk 11th November 1911 amu obi 1911 am obi pa ye 110 yamencha de ye 110
has said 110
yes I was there tell me your team na me wo
your team na wo
yes na bo pa yes I sure here
sure panta
na bodwini na me ni bi yes the team na nyi yes
and so far Black Star game no about how many minutes
yes you about 31 minutes yes echo 32 still then you also for share Black Stars of Ghana won Bubu Kwandi the Ethiopia the Wallers of Ethiopia omu ntumi ante one and say last week ye some one wa nti ye come ho e be some am keeper na nya de but wakoji edru na no person de be bega brego you know ano ankomo
but Mr. so far one monitor game no which lineup coach Milo ede ko information and tactics obo chechem kakra chairman for
well super yan sama etifo ni Akwaaba o hwe coach Milo after so take you over as the head coach at Mad Blasters of Ghana. We share 2 matches wabwa we winning in here as almost be say 4 goals. The last game of boy said just a goal against Bubu Kwa when the DND Zimbabwe and Osha the matches our home or make sure said home matches no utminya more goals Emma supporters in any debate Osha ni away matches na and okay bibisa we twawa sometimes obo we are I'll say point a we here no eno na uya hu adwuma because Osha Jojo wa court and the two matches or boy on that goal post mo Andrew Yadom Baba Rama was in there Abranti Joseph Edu Daniel Amate Baba Idrisu Mohamed Kudus Jordan Andrea Yu Bwachi Yadom and Kamaldin. These are players Oshe coach Awaba Obeso had the boys chance and also looking at how sometimes playing the information Opese OTT teams no from the young and I say from the stripe because Ghana say your talent and why they go vanaba you play bia one ma as it stands now yet me aka say you will play be on my wagidin to that be these are the boys on magidin for now in the scene womo ebo homodin awo eye amanane and the local scene and don't forget say ultimate to inside the frame 1 or 2 players our local and here because sometimes no bebre susuka say our local players no ada na more opportunity Abdul Ganiu last was it CK Akono tamo one or two friend he oman opportunity or boy Abrante and Dini Fatal yaman opportunity or boy adena these boys are sometimes or two started from no more opportunity ya share Abrante and Dini Ade Ganiu will be part of the team but onya starting lineup Mbobi or be part of the team but onya starting lineup Mbobi the maybe say okay this squad and the squad the one more squad be a new bioma Orandi ade Milo Ebeka Kofaba squad we are na obetimi so far mo say the boys omo ball pressing football for the first 10 minutes omo ball pressing football and yambo waba so eso metimi first goal first half na wonya first goal it really tells you as a yes the boys no many abre so metimi on person qualify eka kopie mu e the World Cup
ano writer commentator o monitor game no ana dey update kakra and so no etumi aba still on Okoman Global Sports Okoman 97.1 the Black Stars of Ghana against Ethiopia South Africa and then so yede amene abo ani emunsem and so the babet ma join here live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook sounds on YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 oko Twitter at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 sounds on Instagram and so no at Okoman 971 over to me the WhatsApp message SMS and score line yes for score line bra prediction no for to job fama etie for their number no 0551 667755 0551 667755 odo bet me the prediction area back and WhatsApp and I feel so text message for prediction F4 brass answer na Facebook ko abet me I drop your prediction no and so no I will hona bibia at me I fine what's the right and senior on D2 was answer na Kwame Sedega and so at me at Nasia on monitor niama senior say so far o monitor game no
yeah monitor game so na nchia kwa ma etiefo na nchia kwa ma mesmo girl odi ni birthday and they would in birthday.
Katagu microphone.
I didn't wish you ana. We say Chiankoma, Miss Maga, would in birthday. Ajua Nkrumah, Odiwa, Mrs. Taba, I drank Kruma, Odine 1 year. and then you tintia and command
Adwan Nkrumah. Yeah, we say happy birthday.
Yeah, Adwan Nkrumah. Yo. Ege. Sena yeni mu de da wono. We say wake up ya de bia ehunhia ye. Na we say feed abeda na if memu de anwumere. De ntina me kasa. Se ye betima akọ African Cup na akọ ye bibia. Ejina wake up yi so. De ntina me kasa because say it me qualify for World Cup now. The inferior na yedi be wura ay African Cup no be buya yenye. But the intima qualify for World Cup no na ye ko African Cup na e be hawo yen. Inti no medical kasi Ghana no bibia ye e woni for matches na kan na mu so be wini ni na ampa coach ni ba no na ye bebre e doubt because you say wa ko after ofi Ghana no almost 10 years 15 12 years in ofi Ghana no wakwane na ma baby we see wo pamo ne ade tena oba bebre no nkofu bebre no say o ma ye hwe but wa kire say asa Ghana no owo terrain anaso onim ni dia wo Ghana players no owo so oba Ghana nkwan dia ekoyema no ntino enye me wanwa say oba ni too much say wabo nyina no wa wini ni nyina afi wo hwe ene players o de won starting now yeah, because party mu ni ade eniwo until oba find very difficult but wa chere say no eni de yemu hwe because players no ho ni wo the way abeje oba hye players na fa because wo hwe na first level na buy na bebre da to kakra say ade ntina wa ma Jordan antina na wa ma the day are you antina ni wa mo e bia edru ado na say but onu a chere say no emu ye players a meje wondi obetima ye bribi into no players no ngu we no wo hwe first 30 minutes and 36 minutes and wa bona Ghana blessing more but kakra me hu ni say I say ball na eba Ghana for so ya the offensive and defensive midfielder no wo no ama open more ndi ama the tembia no ama Ethiopia for no den enya chance ewura 18 nim by kudos to Jojo Wakot because you service bia why service ni ade a na ngai dan kwankofo na ngai wa atewka no but why ade to the sense say oyiti no ye goalkeeper na o save ball no won nti ye be ma boys no kudu ye be se boys ni nkuran say we kwa so ya den keep the momentum and the feel and say the intensity of the game no we betime hold more na wetime dey den because how much ye match be enwunya ye ne yes ye be qualify ye be South Africa but si entime win ene match na ye South Africa grand final ni so because ene match no si entime win match no we say no then ye wo grand si betime qualify because you know me say South Africa match ni o fie ndi ba o South Africa for ye be hye won me de me with South Africa for be because ene match no win more since the South Africa match no enti e be se coach say na boys na starting na ball no obe make sure say obe maintain one na say obe say won kran say you should hold the ball more because I say hold the ball na and check if one side na akọ opponent in side kudos to the day you say free kick then o ma so mu to the sense say ni ye ka say first na no ye invite as first no say no ye but say ye hu say mani na biem but say what step up as a captain na we say kunu ma ye ding we say akwan audition akwan gwan nti no no say no me am your audition say man akwan dey meche we gwan nti so what step up na watimi am first go make sense on say ya dey won say mo ho so man say so nyere ade on ka chene boys on man boys ni kon say won kran me just say wotimi sa wo de sa dey kwa e be kwa wie no Ghana be den di nkuni baba cause yen supporters ni dey ahwa yen nkuni di say woni nkuni baba fie me tie ne match no ye match hunya yen se match bia nti okay for the start no and I make the boys no ayade say wotimi kipu won hye one goal no kipu one stick kipu sa one goal na won timi ntew ye wo make sure say ye dey sa one goal be kwa first half aba say dey ko ba coach ni water be obeya obetima ya na so bi obetima ka chenwa no wa she boys what new players dey abesi mo dey players our engine no abesi no wetima keep the full and say the intensity of the game no dey timi dey wi ntim just say after first 5 in the first 45 minutes in the I was say timi dey wan na dey ekose what yentimi she bin kan dey and what say me what waka no
okay I know senior on duty how come game so far 40 minutes ana yetimi about I mean, see lineup no so na etiefo and so enya players and so no wo area Ghana. Goalkeeper Nadine Jojo Wakot and that post Sansana Andrew Yadom, Baba Rahman left back Sansana center pair no Joseph Edu Daniel Amate on and they will make it a center pair. Midfield in Baba Idrisu on energy the defensive midfield wa and also making sure Senyama ebitimi akoso Mohamed Kudus Andrew Ayew and I need what for me two pivots and I say ni wobwa the defensive midfield no up front no need Kamaldeen Suleiman Abuachi Yadom and I think so no Andrew Ayew and also at me and go to me Adam at the Black Stars. And still 41 minutes played, and Ethiopia 0, Ghana 1. And no any reports are Rahami.
Yeah, senior but I say before I me fias me fenchi ama ejuma efo I wo stitches couture am say ope wonga wokeka ni ama bomu ma ntare di mu a wo bo ejuma pa mia menu aketwa na wo ejuma fu bia we heavy, in fact we heavy pa wo bo ejuma ntino once what ha with ya pa ntino me din nchia emu ye den me ejuma efo I was stitches once senior but I say I'm beginning to trust our coach in a way. Yes, I'm beginning to trust Milo in a way. People will say I didn't make us but say okay lineup Milo the ball in first match is it against Zimbabwe, right?
Yeah.
Now Yakobo Zimbabwe return match. Niabe ball match we okay lineup now. It tells you say he really knows the players in out. He really knows the players. He can call them at any given time. Shana lineup now. Shana lineup now. There were more offensive-minded players in the game.
Yeah.
Kudus. He's playing as a holding midfielder by an offensive-minded player. Jordan. Fully attacker. Dedayu. Boachiado. Kamaldin. Typical winger. Into Wusha. The system now is purely Baba Idrisu, who is playing as a pivoter or holding midfielder in the game. Aside that, we have 5 offensive midfielders, which is
out of the 11.
Yes, which is perfect, because we're aware who said Timuno, they don't pose so much threat to us. We need to win this game all out. And Obamate was centre back, no, but typical right back. You understand? What tells you say? What stadium say no. We won't yet that much of a threat to us. I say you're close and back. We need to search for it because we need a win. In a way, people have doubt, but I say, young coach, I'm beginning to trust him. Kakra. So a benchy young Isahaku. We benchy players be this game. We need more experienced hands on this game. Into a picky few players they know the terrain. They are tried and tested. One ball, at least they have the experience, because individual brilliance comes in. So what I say, in we talk about players who have pedigree, and people criticize Dede so well, say he's out of form. But this is when you need your top players to perform, and he's a top notch. You can't write him off. Jordan, Nomini Ade, and Boachi Adam, they've been tried and tested. This game is making me believe Kakra, we ain't coaching him, and I believe the lineup is a perfect lineup against a certain Ethiopia. So it's a perfect lineup.
People are criticizing Abranti and Jordan Ayew because of his performance, and once again, Coach Milo, as I start, in the team, do you think some Amafoka for Jordan Ayew say the contribution to the Black Stars ain't enough? Would you agree to those people?
No. I don't agree to those people. You see, people look at the people don't know much in the game. Look at Jordan Ayew. People are just measuring Jordan Ayew. Say, your attacker, so she should go. You understand? Until the fact say on she go, no. He is not doing enough. But look at the contribution with game Nankasemo. There are certain games we all acknowledge say Nkoye, and when it does so, I won't say coach doesn't hesitate. He takes him out. Yeah. Because I think against Zimbabwe, he took him out. Gideon Mensah, right? Gideon Mensah. Or the Gideon Mensah, but and he saw the game changed, which means that game was not for Jordan. But on any day, it's a player with pedigree. Or team Mukrana. Opponent will be scared of Jordan because we know what he can do. Yes, that is it. Opponent will be more cautious with him, and he gives other players opportunity to move. The game has matured from the normal goals on share. He can take on players. He's one of the skillful players in the team. He can take on players. A basket pieces, he's good. Dead ball situations, you can count on him. Although he's not scoring, but what kind of contribution in the game are sometimes fair enough, and Koye 1 or 2 games, but the total contribution in the game has been good. And I trust this coach so much. Say when it comes to critical no system, at least you are not pushing. He brings you out. Against Zimbabwe, Dede was on the bench, but he was the captain of the team. He sat on the bench. No, boy, Jordan, Gideon Mensah up front. I
think it was Jordan.
Other striker. No. Is it a Kuban?
Kuban Bemu later on.
No, but two strikers in that
Benjamin
game.
Tete.
Benjamin Tete, good.
Yeah, Benjamin Tete.
You understand? It tells you, say, it does not necessarily matter. You look at the particular game and the system and the caliber of players who will fit that game. No, Abo. So Jordan, sometimes we acknowledge, say, Debiana, Sanya expecting. It's just like Messi. Barcelona going to Argentina national team. People compare those, but you forget that the terrain or the parameters are different. Until no contribution in the game there, it's not been bad.
I say, Jojo Wakoti, Oya number one and I say, right?
Because Oshe body Yashawana save so very superb, and Oshe in the past 2 matches in Rabwana Ghana for raise concern say keeper no. It seems like confidence in Shedanio, but Milo Oshe keeper na. Onim so almost say man kolane kwan. Washas yama boy no chance. And no share chance or the my boy na. You don't know the catcher boy but usha match 1 or 2 saves via keeper na ya. Okay, it's very difficult. Say maybe your number one beba na yakasi ye yine sinche. Ye yine sinche Ghana for bekasa because he's very good in the goalpost.
Ofori is our number one.
Oh, number one, but Ofori ni yembisa how many matches and I say after so prayer no okoba matches ben wabwa ubetimi akase odi Ofori beba be tupom. Jojo is outperforming our game no more. What you say? And no na be big kakra, but so far, like I said, the Blasters of Ghana first half 1-0. The boys are performing. Jordan Ayew, Abrantene Bobo, Baba Rama, Mohamed Kudus. Ghana your future. Say team way to me maintain it team way for you maintain it team way. Sana your ma coach or to me coach team way cha. A.K.A. The Blasters of Ghana 2006-2008 in Bana yenya players no. I can tell you, SAB that same place I will Ghana has.
Final, I think it's the first half, you know.
Yes.
Still Ghana leading by a long go. Senior, first half, a comment.
Senator Mekan, A.K.A. Boys in Ayade. Boys in Ayade. Kakra Mekan Afghan. Yamba Nefa, Jordan, when I say, Nintiama attention na more Jordan, I say. Unse na Jordan was step I know nana move to behind Asamoah. And now all Ghanaians are expecting say when Asamoah is not there, you have to take the in charge. But and I number 1. 2, Nidia Katan say chancer what ma the day Jordan Ayew no as a striker. So yes striker Ghana yenya win na nanka yema was an chance bia nanka beka se bia nko woko enum but an yes sir enti am Ghana more
what honorary can I say most of Ghana from the I say Jordan
yeah because
strike
yeah
striker
Osegu
and he says it's not always about him scoring no contribution to the team. And it's only writer A.K.A no. Although they didn't actually go, no, but Jordan is really doing well in the game.
Yeah, no doubt about it. But my ask my can say, I would say as a number 9, who's a Ghana Tamane?
About 9 years also go.
Yeah, who's a Ghana no mentality shabono egu baby. 2, Obinum say so far as I wear number 9 always I was make sure say we maintain it go and I go beba. Yan show you last season. For starting of the league, the day you about all the season. Last season, I say only 2 goals is away.
Jordan Ayew.
Jordan. So what I say. So now I'm for
Olivier Giroud Kobo whole World Cup. Played all the matches. One go. But not coach Didier Deschamps.
You see, that is a very good example. You see, it was Olivier Giroud. Until France was able to win
the World Cup. Sure.
Because of Giroud is a typical strong striker. Defenders will tell you, say, when you are playing, we have players like Giroud on you are. Who you defender? So we give ample time for the likes of Mbappe, Griezmann, to have that free roll to play. You see, if you compare Jordan and Asamoah, we'll be making a very big mistake. These 2 players played in a 2 different separate teams. Share Asamoah time. You had a certain ACN.
Certain Stephen
Appiah,
Sulemontari,
like Kingston. You talk top class players. Those players at that time they were on their peak, on top peak. Baby, as soon as you know Boeshe, ACN will search for a score. You understand? Compare it to Jordan team way, current team way. He is even the only, one of the few senior players in the team. You know, sometimes you need to issue out instruction. But as Samuel Jan was playing that team, you realize even the way ACN know were senior players and they will control you in the game. The parameters are different. So what I see, you compare. See, actually goals and there are players who will come into a competition, will not score even a goal, but more contribution. Until I judging club, on go Roberto Firmino. On go no, because Salah is scoring, Mane is playing very well, but no initiation from Firmino. Share Bayern Munich, Thomas Muller. How many goals does he score? He doesn't score. Go to Germany, he doesn't score. But the contribution in the game, it makes the player inevitable. Won't mean touch, you know. There are some games it might not go well. And we all acknowledge. And that one we trust the coach say he will apply his tactical brains and then maybe bring on different people. But
okay.
As I
say, Tamana Milo Mayano. Na coach say you see the day as number 9. Jordan as number 9. But coach in Bano, we say, until I say difference I been to the sense. Coach the coach in Bano. When we say 9 is to for now. Because all the eyes on Jordan says, so about 9 quarters go. So then I mean 17 left. You say Jordan, about left. And what they got them, I number 9. I say typical number 9. No, my did I the Jordan had the 9. So that helped Jordan say, more Jordan attacking and more skillful player who said no, Ojibola, who said now he has confidence on the ball. But she only know about number 9. Netia, I have one number 9, feeling very confident. It comes back to pick the ball. Tago baby be so shoot ball. So coach them will say Sanya United adwuma. Entiti you can say for now no you can say now no coach no obai no ni one na wada for now say coach no maybe bia no it seems say it's proven and that's one man of one nyina na mo penalty o shemu because when we say no players are coach ye ni anything like say obi ani wo be ka say unisadi ni yama oka. Now, say, all the best, all the chances, all the teams, and all the players. I bet we are winning. The word is our phone. Yeah, okay. Uncle fan me bobo. Okay. It just say coaching no here. Okay. But just by say, Ghanaians are loving football. Ghana football more. And you know, Bibia who say Ghana watch about we use what one Okoman and Akwaaba because they love the passion, born passion. Or and you know, Bibia be coach maybe you talk a lot. But I say coaching no nim near there no yenti because say first for the first half only kudos to the boys one are they say what may win it.
All right, and you know and then first half amani oba and also abijafo etimi ede abana Ghana focus out sack na Ghana focus there sack and so can be Black Stars so far Ghana 1 Ethiopia 0 sack there can be kakra
Blasters, here what is a Taliban, semi book, Tina Mesoma, me got me battle, Kana anthem, the same man. Just South Africa 2010. Let them come and then can they see play. I want to tell them over see a young man, I didn't with the chains, I'm a bad pain. Nancy, I'm a pizza, and me people
and you know, we're talking now. One, I could have the Okagumusa, and you know, so far, and the second half from the best say, but still, South Africa and Zimbabwe, 7 p.m. A big game. Ghana, Fonia, Pompai, Sanka, South Africa, Uncle Bodrobi, Bodrok, Bodrop, the Biabe to me, I mean, game no. South
Africa, Zimbabwe is going to say you win the game. We are. I tell you, pressure is going to be on South Africa. See, you win the game. We are. Massive pressure will be on South Africa because, on a more serious note, Zimbabweans, you won't mean right on off. Your team, they will frustrate you. They won't let you play your normal game. Like, this total game, Until say you win the game. We are. South Africa will want to do everything humanly possible to win their game. Because Omun himself, so when we win this game now, it's off. Because they won't come here and come and get a win here. Until see it me winning game where it will put a lot of pressure on South Africa. And see a winning game where I won't be surprised as how much in the bad draw. I will never ever be surprised because South Africa will be so desperate for a win that maybe they might even be forced to commit basic mistakes, which will lead them to that way. I'm trusting Zimbabweans, say they can cause an upset, but it depends on this game. So yet me winning game way there, it will put a lot of pressure on the South Africans. Winning game way solidly, even a slim win, even 1-0 the game we are. I believe so by 7 o'clock. No. The best for that match can be draw. We're very sure and certain on that.
Okay, writer. South Africa against Zimbabwe, 7 p.m. I don't know.
Any match biasa, but I don't know South Africa or 10. Is ya you lead? Is ya you winning game? No, or 9. Is ya babe? You be about 12. Is ya you lead table is ya. And we can. Is ya be my pressure? I be that South Africa. Don't forget so we go home. And number 7 no more home. And no more no home. I'm a Zimbabwe. Ghana winning the game away. Oh, the same stadium. Adabra BK one kabe. Ensi Kwame obefa so ahye no obefa so ahye no. And last game no only so winning Zimbabwe on the Ghana will Cape Coast and you do or die. But Zimbabwe actually say only say there is no where about Ghana has say you be sure no more be share akodabe. And Zimbabwe be me police surprise but enya that way. The battle is between Ghana and South Africa. And you know, I might pay South Africa so be win that game. But Zimbabwe police surprise A.K.A Africa near bon memenya.
Okay, Africa near bon memman and ya one. Zia
A.K.A.
Yeah, quick one.
A.K.A. When we say
second half no.
When we say South Africa for no match on Zimbabwe, but when you ban obi na waju Ghana match na so. What the 5 coaches na akopaka na so to study Ghana. Because born or born you mean who couldn't hear one say Ghana match no. Then you know what you say because we say to play Ghana at home na nya small. Into no and then match na you me match na one Zimbabwe na nya small because we go away Zimbabwe ko 1-1 e wa away. Into no anya me one say Zimbabwe so betima ba we no so no 1-1. Wo hwe Zimbabwe football na obo na they play with the team. I say team one watch that national plan be I was say national team national team football club team and why training more to wo hwe one place local near more into no so what ball na compact na wo and so one take it down they will frustrate you because they won't give you a chance to play and I should one place now they one height and so was so into no Emma one ball no wo cross more they say unyo bia utimi set pieces ni I don't know where a teamer utimi hold on and as utimi nya place obetimi a clear a chance na what be show and you know anyam wa say no South Africa for no you winning match no pressure si won so because you winning match na pressure be si won so to the sense that we see we winning one so then when you 13
okay
na one year last match na you do one die so you board draw then one qualify it anyam wa say and then match no South Africa match no e be 12 match enye easy South Africa it me say say na coach ni ayo abu bebre South coach ni ayo abu bebre to say so want to man South Africa and qualify for World Cup kura won 20 ade
okay
it you say na ni abre
e be monitor sa game no chena e be ba na be di sa enkomo no enso e wo but still on Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports ana wasugusu utie no Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Samsung YouTube nso no Okoman Radio 97.1 obetimi a follow yen na afin so no watimi comment ni nyina ato the Black Stars of Ghana against Ethiopia I don't know World Cup qualifier first half no Ethiopia 0 Ghana 1 Ethiopia 0 Ghana 1 can get see Andre Rami Morgan did you ana atimi a register the first goal and so no Etimi Adiama the Black Stars of Ghana and also and then it's about Black Stars in sense when you see game no dey go so update in ba ba na me had to folk and then I had to folk in 110 years and then I had to folk in 110 years on the 11th November and you know 11th November 1911 and I had to folk in so no otumi etel ya in 110 years and I had to folk every day and apart secretariat I had to folk catch no a cake. I'm a poppy champagne kakra celebrate the 110th anniversary. El has team no. So far, team no do things say Mpempe say we do no want to do. And Niama wa achieve no except for that club no. And big kakra beka either for team no.
Mama across the full correlation. And yeah, easy. Say who beat my two team all the way from 1911 na. Wonga kura team na fiti sabre na ba habidu ene. Enti mebo nga baso say wonga yade say wonga timi edi sanfi bebre. Team sili bebre what team ekuma pem no teams bebre ato nsuma egu but so wonga timi mo hom modern I'm on home so Saba be do Sabrina and then I trust it. On achievement, for a big team like Accra so folk, winning the league, I think 21 times, right? Winning Champions League, winning a Super Cup, winning a Confederation Cup, winning I think FA Cup, other cups. I think they've done well. Other countries like Egypt, Alali were dominating. Those who come around, Kakra, Zamalek, and I think most of the country it is there. You always see the 2-horse race or whatever. And he has to folk with reference to achievements or trophies. They've done well. I think, if not the most successful, one of the most successful clubs in the country with reference to trophies and achievement. I say they've done well. Say winning be fine. They've done well with achievements. They've done well. But with reference to general achievement, and I'm so a team now could do day. I think say I'll give them like on the whole make I say 40%. Then I make a 40%. Team are ready over 100 years today. And can expect to say when you crowd the Ubenya wow clubhouse, training facilities massive. Ubenya
has a clubhouse.
Menkasa sinifi Mr.
Has a clubhouse.
Menkasa. At least Ubenya massive ultramodern secretariats, Ubenya facilities in place. But unse Timuno the entire country Nankasano, if you're sending a football now, I'm saying require recently Nanyama assassin and until say talk baby so Timuno any so assassin. It must say Okopubimaya or a massive project or a training pitches, or AstroTurfs, we really see massive clubhouse with ultramodern facilities. So then see him who said Togo was talking about say we see ultramodern secretariat. Last year almost beautiful bus. My team he say branding level branding wise as a folk PR utumuso efe. And you has to folk nkwa teams in the kotoko nye bad. Ash gold mediama no many teams now. I say Ghanaian teams no be Kenyan ho into with reference to that has area they've done very well.
Okay, I know Kwame on so Etima teams has Eguso kakra 110 years although winning but you be on Saka but they are also doing their best. What side Kofi Zingaro also listening live from Achimota ABC. So follow show no all the way from Achimota. Kofi I mean Chelsea but how rough. I don't know. Kofi here I mean Samson champion Mustaf. Yeah, yes. As it go Ghana go. So no so at me in there but Thomas Boy I say the defense is making some small errors. That's it. Thomas pressure but Jojo so no say defense no. Shaky kakra. And also I an idea what to me at the Abba okay, I see great first half performance from the Lat, but Milo should talk to our defenders to be cautious and active at the back. Listening to you live from Mampone Kwapim. I know Nana Kofi Afiwe and also to me I didn't Diaba maybe my own okay. You fresh writer.
Okay.
And then I will follow how to folk. Yes. Secretariat. Cake in Moefe.
Cake, cake, the befe, but cake never, and your cake near the man. So sometimes, we are just simple 1911, 1911, and 110. Yes, Yambo Mabaso achievements. The Ompesom Jew, we are senior homage. Sometimes they depend on the past glories, but and the boys here, but besides the past glories now penny for na beya two no. And then bring Mumbai and Oma Babyana. Last season they won the Ghana Premier League winning the MTN FA Cup, Super Cup, and the say almost winning with 1 year Bemom. So more about so, but maybe one more. Sometimes no team no also they need to be bold. And ye biana mubeshe ubiase. Sometimes bibiba communication director me can play nye playing fan. They need to be bold and come outside. Yansha awako issue. If senke a big club here, the seven say Madrid ne those kind of Barcelona and Manchester United and get betting say. But sometimes they need to be very how they speak in public. Again, me no me nim say enka the communicate na say letter number bontia like omeba bontia be kase say ni say na issue ni say. No, sometimes if some ye bibia also some ye ni plane, yes sign A.K.A. A month no ye man 1 cedi say ni see tie. Enya koto house nkwa na wo koto various club no. So sometimes you know omuntu a players in the war and you know sometimes if some ye bibia they are not bold enough to bring it out and also on beba public. Those kind of things petty things bia clubs no home. And also folk I'm very careful and other big teams I'm very careful in those kind of things. You know, teams in the opposite achieve bia why achieve those kind of November 1977 miracle of work the miracle of a year them need those kind of things. Boys na yebi the ombeya no my but and America they need to be bold enough in some decisions. And they beat me about my big club like House of Folk. Now if you answer put my 1911. A.K.A. Wow team 1911. Now ye. A.K.A. no it true.
And then we enter me say nkakra we get there because who call even almighty Chelsea they are using a community stadium. Nti nkakra. You see a beautiful initiative. Into me can say on the whole no achievement 40% with reference to I know who say until say took by no. Pobimai omuje pobimai to anyene. Ache. What you say? Yes. What you say? Into at least they've started in the right. That is it. What you say? At least they've started in the right direction. For you to get training pitches, not training pitches about 4 or 5 with AstroTurf, Clubhouse and other stuff. At least they are moving in the right direction. Okay. So what you say? Let's just hope and pray. Say other teams can also emulate and then go ahead and do that.
Okay, and the writer.
Okay, no. Me pese me kase be the crowd about. Omo
writer.
We kroma de enye ma yi o.
No wish you happy birthday.
Ona say me ma wish you mo. Me da be na me start enye ndre chi na me start.
Just say obet na me ni mo wish you mo.
Enye na be wish ya super anye. So peja me nyum na ntum.
Do eno na be say dey wish you.
Yes, na nyum be na be wish. But omo ese me catch us omo ko Facebook Ziggy. Omne kotoko game penalty shootout 2004 confederation final no Ziggy de toso ombehu yes eno na de ratio omo na team be na de na fan ratio omo ege ana e ratio ba ko na de ai and for 4-0 na
omo juice ba ko
omne
ana Ziggy you know
omo pe 4-0 na
say we penalties no confederation no omo fa ba ko omo pe anu ana omo pe 4-0
na be omo ana confederation 4-0 ABCD no say
but am for ball penalties pa
yes am that way was
so penalties
yes Michael Duncan no ma jatete no
yes
go na blood the penalty be oboy hey how do you
go na blood the penalty expert oboa oboa show
enti no mo choose ba ko
penalty na dey be
senior wa ono no say kotokoni
okay oh me imagine for my so
ono pe penalties no confederation na for 4-0 no
enye mu hwe
ya
wunya no mo yeye
oh
wunya hasen
ye we na wunya
1911 awade obesi awiem na wo hataw achievement awa ye just a cap awo
just a
caps
ball na kotoko wo
AK
yo let me be so writer be so
AK na me ka se me tell
writer
1911 ayede wo sia wiem hataw
yo
wo cap 40
kotoko wani
kotoko more than you
kotoko wani
for figure fact and figures
what make a house in your
house in what in the
the only cap I was in house Premier League yeah people in Vegas ya carry asa
tell us what house
that's only cap I was in asa again house was in then
Argentina house the birthday na ye ka ha asase na obese wo and work as man bese wo na wo
go to did be August go to did be
penalty si kura wo yi kura ha san ko ko
yes
asem obi sa wo
zigi so bad pal so na penalty
so
penalty na guy
so zigi so ha sin Ziggy, what's any when you acquire? Okay,
you're not being fair.
Oh,
you're not being fair to me.
Has to be one birthday. Okay. See what you want birthday. But to me, the near expected for heart for no one because what's no dear chin shall be can until has was 1911. Tinaki expectations and can you buy no and a team city nature buy no achievement has higher. Infrastructure. Niama, everyone will say, no, who will that team camp? I will say, we a team, big team in Africa, big team in Ghana. Now, I'm any pioneer.
And to your team has a big team of Ghana.
Oh, yeah, big team.
Has the biggest team of Ghana.
Never.
It is anyone who biggest team of Ghana. Why?
You know the biggest team of Ghana.
And
team bank. Okay, let me chip in.
Okay.
Infrastructure. Team bank. Yenyi wafanu film. Sankrofon was a purely academy foreigners na buy. But for team owned in Ghana and our teams established by Ghanaians. Infrastructure team knows our infrastructure.
Maybe a nanajiman bit doma.
No, what order? What have you been there before?
I've been to Doma.
Do you see the kids they wear? No, mama. You see, A.K.A, wouldn't be. Let me say on authority. I can say on authority. When it comes to infrastructure, has to sell ahead.
Kotoko is doing well. Yes, they are now starting.
That is it. Yes. Make us say, you see, you're criticizing.
Container of the air. Container.
My problem is that container at least they've started something.
Yes,
but what I'm saying is that Haas is doing well. Although no Omundu leveler, yes, Petisanka team of about 110 years. We all acknowledge that. But at least they are in the right step in the right direction. They are doing very well. Infrastructure at teams, one can live at Carindorf. Go to Carindorf and see team dreams. They couldn't even put their own park. Set your park at Westy. Didn't actually name 50 SC. Now the Amamuse Munjembo boss went man maintain it as if you didn't know say you play league on it. Yes. Now a whole FA president or the Nane park that ho. Now inspection team Baba be catcher and say, "Oh, park is not enough."
He's not in charge of the team.
No. You own your club. What are you talking about?
This issue.
We won't be fair to him. The reason why I'm saying we won't be fair to him is that we won't be. The reason why I'm saying we won't be fair to him is that he owns the team. Okay, fine.
He's not in charge of Dreams now.
Okay, he's a shareholder. He's a shareholder. Now he's
the FA president.
Okay, fine. He's in FA because of Dreams.
New roles are all playing. Dreams. You've been.
You see, he's not.
Let's be fair.
He's in GFA because of Dreams FC. You can't take it out. He's
speaking to the microphone.
You see, he's in FA. He's an FA president because he comes from this Dreams FC. Okay.
Obia as an FA on a team ticket.
That is it. Intino Dreams FC you can't take it away. You cannot talk about Ketokreku without Dreams FC. No, you can't do that. It's a big team. They should do due diligence. One team can't say Ubeja pack out over 6 months or 5 months maintaining. Then I can say 2-3 weeks and Sana was starting maintaining. No, it is never done anywhere. What else? Now a whole FA president team. Na Yeni Park F. Sorry, Obonsama Boje Fufu Omuni Ade. Na monitoring team aba. What precedents are you setting?
Okay, Mami announce the phone lines now also let me to us. So 0551 667755 0551 667755. With my friend Black Stars Ejina Kono our South Africa against Ethiopia. Our first half we want second half now as Ghana LED by 1-0. Our prediction and motivation at my club no had to focus so and it celebrity 110 years and so hello.
Good afternoon.
Fire offer your cropon.
Me free your cropon.
Fire.
Happy birthday to Accra.
Oh, fire. Cropon boko.
Nyame adom cropon ye boko.
We
me ti amu me chiamu.
Yejoso.
Na happy birthday to Accra support.
Wojo so as fujo so.
Might say more EB was infrastructure. Up to now, across the focus 110 years, we never be away training. Ko baby amuse musimo academic what rose then maybe so as mo what rose then me refi din kakra so obetumi academia baby amorisimo
info akoma yensi fi info asam na akan
across book asam na America baby amorisi me refi din obetumi academia kakra
ayi pobi manana
pobi man am pese mekan ono mu nsuto a ono mu yepo po
when was the last time I called?
When was the last time I called? Been 2 weeks here, me call.
Oh, in 5 2 weeks here, me no have no room.
Now me no go room, me to go baby I me call.
Okay, it's always your happy birthday. Now Black Stars.
Kotoko. Oh, yeah, has as say Black Star. Black Star will be winning one match now. Maybe we should one good one. We will say one winning match in my. Now you mention South Africa.
Okay, my friends now Obinsono Emetuaso Ewa 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55. Also, Ubitimi Afraba now. Also, what me Achawa Black Stars. Egusum Ejina Kono South Africa against Ethiopia World Cup qualifier. And then the first goal that team about Samson out of folk. And then a celebrity 110th anniversary. And so people are talking, people are criticizing the team, saying, you know, in terms of infrastructure, but I have trophies. They've done their best, winning the CAF Champions League once, winning the CAF Confederations Cup once, winning the CAF Super Cup, winning FA Cup, the Ghana Premier League. And you know that should tell you it's hard to folk. Want to achieve more, and I say yes in terms of our trophies, but facilities and I'm for become. But Nina idea, Yenya FEC or Ghana in terms of football facilities. Yenya FECB I don't know about right now Orica.
But second half now here. I don't know. Say second half no Milo. I'll catch a boys in some defend there because pressure there more. The pressure is too much. Boys no. Ethiopia fana boba.
Ba.
Ama boba ba.
Sanse die ya she.
That be aboma boba because so they are pressure boys no.
Answer.
Boys ni say obia ba asset ya back. And a boy say ani near come. I'm very careful. I don't know.
It's a new strategy. Coach Adiaba sit back. Also keep pressure now. You play them on a counter.
But
unless when you're defensive midfielder, I wish I born a bona. Defensive midfielder. Yeah, born, but the load is too much on him.
It's too early to defend. If you want to clean the game, at least 70.
Yes, because who's a young offensive for me more. In Tiama,
maybe on some probably take off.
Because pressure now your man.
If we have started defending there is no good time.
Pressure now your Tiama born never defenders and so. What's your chance? Ethiopia for Ninya.
One responsibility to defend.
Yeah, we know. But who share
yes.
Because who said when was the pressure?
I think they wanted to read the game second half on Kakra.
Because
the pressure. Because they will take either Jordan Beko up front as number 9.
Yeah.
Now Wakasu
because now the Baba will pressure now and will load down your man because what you go for now. Once the second one by one we say let's pressure them so that you can equalize and you know what energy. Do you want to why you better one can work with energy. The second for now what no more. Coach and I they say we're ready now when we say no pressure the wall. Defenders in say yeah man. Defense midfielder there ever no be good one.
Okay. Right now and then man bomb.
Yes, almost started Obi and
Shebi.
Yes.
I say I qualify.
Yeah, qualify but see you lose that game now. Eba be 6-6. Now say we bobo kwa din
how many teams now? Is it 2 from each group?
But yes, also your topic group now. Other group B no, you need second place in the Bakakobo. So almost yes, almost crucial. Almost crucial, but again, we for no ever 3, we saw 3. And see you lose that game, that 3. Now we could win in the last game against Team No Point. About 6-6. ne fiance de be so head to head ne goals enye enti e win straight and yes and amadina
as a 3 is benya 6
ebe benya 6
but we've already qualified so
qualified but they fail but omna so me
as a Ziggy still yi
Ziggy yi Ghana from
na only 4-0 no
4-0 man for man
who's there so over has en kotokwa aya has for no woniama bebre ya aya etwa kotoko fo yam no kware de ba ko say ya hwe
sa
you got 3-0 bi kura so wo ho many hyper sa time no na Chastela and enye Chastela ko kotoko sa time Chastela wo has Manolo Sekufo Ishmael Tero Ado ne how
now say kotoko say has that MTN Africa bia wa say de kada wa say no oh say wa say no
ayi dano
wa say no
4-0 de bisida 4-0 de bisida
wa say no MTN Africa no 17
dabi
oh Sadiq Adams o say 3 goals
right at it
oh super dabi mo yes na mo di kotoko
kotoko ashe has tie kotoko ashe has mijetum me take away anything away from Kotoko. Kotoko Ashe has Mijetum. But there is 2 record untouchable. You can't touch it. Has confederation if Kotoko and Sem. Until say Kotoko be ye bino if he has and Sem you can't talk about it. Has Ashe Kotoko 4-0.
ABC Cup.
ABC da. Kotoko Ashe has several times.
This year Kotoko be share
5 right.
Let's
play this. Okay. Shall we no mami head to head no. Young claim few head to head no.
Has the Kotoko
matches no.
Okay.
One yet.
Yes, I know. Yes, wow.
Obi de a year ba say ope head to head.
I think the last time they played before Sa 1-0 win, I think it was the same. Say it was there was a tie.
So I don't know. Yeah, also from head to head. So Premier League na
you wouldn't include friendly games. We have to include official FA matches.
But friendly games they more friendly games no ebu on the fra. And also Tobo say
sanction matches, official games.
But A.K.A said I make kind no. Sa record 2 in the Kotoko. They are yet to break.
Oh, okay.
So BJ Confederation and I say Champions League FA has in 7 near 1. Now Kotoko Betimash has more than 4 unanswered goals. It's a record to be broken. Yet to be.
This season,
this season,
Kotoko be shout so 4.
Right. Kumasi has to do on birthday, you know. Come on, we are able to be there. I wish you happy birthday. And you know, you never get to show you know, and from heart to folk. And then at the 110 years, happy birthday and come from my team heart to folk. Yakupon heart to folk. Ura Togbi affair the 14th. Coach Samuel Podu, management, playing body ninja. Dance on a fans on the chapter. Oh, dance on a Kobe Jones. My boss, no, my Minchiano. I know National Chapters Committee Chairman Kobe Jones. My chairman, I wish him happy birthday. And you know, out of folk, no, happy birthday and confirm a team no. Yeah, has for you birthday modica cray. Welcome, your quay and all of fitness in same am I
and then I can say body composition.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Body composition. Say onipa dua bia no wo niam bia ewo honam nim. Onipa bia wo ndompe, boni beka se bones, wo muscles, wo blood vessels, wo organs, delicate organs. Ni nyina bom ebeye organism. Ansana niama yedi yenom eno nso mayen ahoden boni be friend nutrients. Ewo nipaduanim. Na there should be proportion. Make a proportional. As it say, say onipa bia nya nuan anase nuaba ewo nipaduamu no anase nutrient ewo nipaduamu no unya ne so pepepe. You understand? Unya so pepepe. Se esotew nipaduano bema wahu se eso atew. Se ebroso nipaduano bema wahu se abroso. Nti se obronika se body composition eka se asichere se niama ewo nipaduani mu no efa ndompe muscles organs niama ewo sa nipaduani ma ema nipa ne organism no against nutrient ayenya ewo nipaduani ma enya sa niama no and then the body composition. We say ratio of fat mass to fatless mass in the human body. And the fat mass in here, nutrients ewo body nima honam no etie store amount. The biamika in the pediano or act as a fridge. Say oto niama befie na odi beye aduan na say won yusu ni nyina odi she fridge mu. Da chi bia hoping say edusu na wo hia obekọ akoyi. Nti ne ehye fridge no mu no sa wo pa agego na da bia wo to foforo ne wo fridge no na bekọ so store ama wa te say obe yusu. Na mom say when yusu ebe wo hwa till say ebe ma wo fridge na eden ayema. That is how the human body functions. Nti say ukoso wo ye nipa de wontimi nka say wondidi obedidi. Udidi no obenya nutrients. Unya nutrient ese say uyusu. So when you saw nipadua no won ayin in such a way say ebesie na ma say dachi bia wo hia bia no obeba na wabe yusu ama until so when you saw ebema problem. Until that is where the body composition comes in. Until body composition, like I say, is the ratio of fat mass to fatless mass in the human body. Na nipa no ubeye den pon the one who say hey me nutrients and I say you use normal excess fat body fat nipadua mu aye excess onipa bia no o hip so sen o waist onipa bia bio o hip so sen o waist yenim yan hips and bia ne titru won say your friend shankus na pue ebi friend side pocket fe na Coca-Cola yo and on the hips into onipa bia no fatu tim say o hip so sen usisi wen da bia yake so usisi ana ye de ensesuwa ohonye nsisi anatomical waistline no you take it from navel ufruma nti usisi ye ufruma nti circumference of your waist from the navel is so saying o hip pa it means say you are obese. Obesity abem. That is the first instance you get to know. Nti onipa bia no fatu tim say o waist say eson trail sing usisi. Nti ene de what happen no yes o hips sorry. Into what my normal tape measure. Check ofie. Susu hips. Ususu hips are throw to her. Susu waist from ufruma around. Throw to her. Se ususu na waist so saying what hips are we are obese. And it's a sign say you have excess fat or too much fat in the human body. And say one pe can be so amfam faswa ebe ma problem. Until that is it.
And then, you know, I'm the Ethiopia to Omokano. And, you know, writer.
Zuba, Ethiopia for Omokano. Yes. Where's that? Catch it defense, no, I'm very careful.
And also now, be the bus as a defense, no,
yes. Mistake 1 or 2 be part and of the tea, and you know. He say 1-1. Ghana 1, Ethiopia 1. It's no. No. Maybe we need game. No, maybe some 2.
Akabe 15 minutes.
So yeah, clock is 70.
It's not 20 minutes.
Super. No. It's 1-1. Yeah, no.
So yeah, bompai say you be dim kunim na to ye nyina nim no sana na make no. Nti that is an indication say we are obese and I say obesity. You can do normal calculations and yeah, I be going but we dey check if at normal tape measure na call who call tailor wa susu me hip we susu me waist we susu wa what do to one na hwe na say hey me hip no so saying me waist pe na che say we are obese.
Mozu dina bi wakopam adekura na oduwa osusu o shatare na kura bi won apam ma na wi no osusu ase no o say to me ba fredu ni waist o say me waist na miame
yo na che say we obese o say A.K.A last me kasi so say nipadua no wine in such a way say yakopom born in such a way say who nutrients bebre a who di na aduan na who di na broso a body ni be store ama and a store we body no best store amount a best store when body no best store be nipadua na kwa baby a eyemrew baby a eyemrew ufa nipadua na efa na eyemrew eye wonfim ha eyemrew pa oton wafono ansa na wabasa nti so bia start ye kese a and so bia starting a deposition of fat a deposit of softer tissues where you have softer tissues and wonfim say odun say so ho eyemrew na oton na wafono wabasa any ade na say when you excess fat into that is the sign say you are getting obese and I say we are obese. There is a way they calculate and that will be for another time you better say check into no ma ka bi o say nipa bia no say o check measurements now who waist so saying o hip as say we hwani na say we are obese and I say we see obesity kwan so that chi bia no e be ha wa pomode.
Okay. Yenda you ase so no so and on fitness and health no and also etumi edisa advice and so etumi aba Felicia Obubisa also wishing the Black Stars all the best and also nedia etumi ediaba incha you Felicia Obubisa Felicia Obubisa Krobia Sante as more fire guys say Krobia so etumi edi neighbor I say
so we na me
yeah let's buy a cow
I say but yes, but
mama we say mama we say abaya no efua sikapa ono ewa brew mama we say no happy birthday in advance microphone off happy birthday in advance efua sikapa me we say happy birthday in advance efua ewa brew young wish you know happy birthday into Okoman team no sports team no and Okoman radio you wish you know happy birthday and also no right and I say
na me so uni ana say we
oh well go you see me ya dey see me
and I say baby star o dey Nigeria so wa dey ye dey me I can't understand you
ya dey na
I mean every day no I am pretty fine so okay Kobat happy birthday kesi and koma Madam Beto Otute, yes, Madam Beto Otute. And can be a refi, yes. Rather the affair back with the canning feel wafy. No one down for, or no one CS and a down for Savia ho. And you say young rational.
Savia no Bana Bema.
Savia near Bema and Caribiana.
I know wish your bar.
Or wish your bar. Madam Beto Otute. So, Madam, happy birthday, Kesiapa and Coma. Yes, Rossi Radema Quantentina. Near the Wakoma to be ready and your mind, you know. No, Zuba.
Okay, and you know, you'll see. But you bisa he say occurrence BB anyway na you fancy then continue still about 73 minutes Ethiopia 1 Ghana 1 Ethiopia 1 Ghana 1 and your World Cup qualifier mo dey you know you jam hoyi obompa na abobi and so no etimi ediama the Black Stars of Ghana my you know catch you know na obompa ediama Black Stars na BB I say qualify.
Oh, you ever qualify?
I say qualify.
Your board draw we are. Board draw we are. South Africa belusu. Belusu.
Your mom pie see baby.
You
should just pray. Your mom
pie. Ghana for your last minute calculation. Yeah, calculation. calculation. Mistake na bana why ya ntino.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
I said defender no okoye na ebukem no.
The son no abo na be do am.
Ntino.
Ntino yakwe me we say afua sikapa happy birthday in advance. Afua sikapa happy birthday in advance. Afua ewe ebrew. Ntino ya wish na happy birthday. Nankopon sha no we efimi ho ana afin so no na no kware ho. Ya wish no happy birthday. What you so? And you know, university, you know, BBS UTA live on Okoman 97.1. Once I'll share on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, follow your honey and coupon show. Now on your channel, channel pa. You better not enough things so on the morning show. Yet to me at the updates of Black Stars game no and so no at me but send your kono sack Tony sack and so no everything ya kabibi meaning and Nana Kwame Mpere said you better from A.K.A and you know Nana correct man Samson and Jeff Kufu saying I feel so the senior on duty Kwame said a and I feel so the writer commentator DJ Zigibi and I feel so DJ Tony Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A Finest and you know I'm a boy I'm so Eddie Jumedi and so at the buy still na break na feel so the Okoman 97.1 Black Stars we say still ka on bomu na 1-1 no and you so na you see bit me qualify but me kwei me dey sack there na ejam kwan
actually Ghana score where I lose my voice. Okay, tell forgive me. Bossy G, I'll make you go. What up? Smina. What? GH. Black Stars. Lord of mercy. Yeah, cut. What? Charlie, Ghana for Bobo Manakama. Send a bodega medica for a tight corner. The digger you, Jeda was a when Stephen appear. What in Gomo reports at Talia. One of the Bagomo Clinic over Sia cry, that Tremor Namunga Mocha Jalabia. Wait, I'm in person, and your minister make a Yemi Gushi, do know your friend. Yo, let me just fuck a fun. There's a Ghana for Bobo, and I made a could be pick up a head. The cafe can be Jimmy Punch. So I could take a palm, a real film, home and dash in my head. I said, I can see him come as some way, match it up to a phone, and say to be dear pan. My God, could I do be a A1, but be a Clinton, could I done a great fan. When I can be the best from if it's a magic hyper, return of a Magedon Black Stars in Jaida as I'm one champion, your number one striker. Kingston, what you do, your number one diver. System me go Snoop ni 50 cent. I'm ready to make your career zone to guess. You show me I'm feeling impotent. Gonna phone who. I just say Yansan Kabopa. A shame me ever cross it to corner. Professional team, motion come as a netema. A man for Kem Bubuzela no the boy man need to be away. What if one can beba in Sudoche? One I beba is in Sudoche. One can beba in Sudoche. Now, Timakan is on the block. Yeah, one ever wanted to say your butcher's killing. Who will you have